Good day everyone. Welcome to my YouTube tutorial channel. This is Yi Sunshines, your online virtual tutor. For today's video, I am going to have a short tutorial on how to convert Word document file into PDF file. Let's go. On your screen, click the File Explorer. Then, look for the location of your file. In this video, my file is located at the Documents. That's why I click Documents. After clicking Documents, look for the file name of your Word document file. This is the file name I used for this tutorial. Double-click to open your file. Your file will appear like this. After opening the file, click the file icon here. Then, look for the Save As, then click it. Next, click the location where you want to save the file. Your screen will appear like this. Click the arrow button here. Look for PDF, select and click PDF. Lastly, click the Save button. Now, your Word document file was already converted into PDF file. That's all. Thank you.